Hello everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore, and I have another treat holder yet using the Sure Do Love You bundle, the Lots to Love box framelits, which are these framelits here. I have so much to share with y'all from the New Occasions catalog, but I can't stop using this framelit. It is just so much fun. So I came up with this little box right here. Is that not so cute? Look at the little rose. The rose is from a different stamp set, and so is the heart. But these little Russell Stover's marshmallow hearts fit in there. You can also put these dove hearts in there. These little individual ones. It's so cute. It'll fit in both ways. This will also fit in this way. So it's so cute. But anyway, this is the project that I'm sharing today, and I just can't put this thing down, so I just had to share another little box that I created. So anyway, let's get started with this. So I just using the, I love this paper. When I first got it, I wasn't sure that I would use it, but oh my goodness, it's so pretty. It is one of my favorite now to use. And it's the Painted with Love Specialty Designer Series paper. It's this. The other side is has different little patterns on it, but these are more painted, and they're all gold. They have all the gold on them. But they're so cute, and it makes the cutest little boxes and bags and stuff. So I'm really loving this paper now. So this is to cut out the box framelit, which is this one right here. And then you're going to need a piece of scrap Whisper White for the little heart and for your sentiment. And I'm using also our gold metallic edge ribbon. This one came out in our holiday catalog. And then I'm going to emboss the little heart. So you'll need some Versamark and some gold emboss. So I think that's everything. So let's get the big shot up here. First I'm going to stamp my little heart so we can run the framelit heart first with the box framelit. So I'm using Melon Mambo for the heart. Okay, and we'll need that scrap again for our sentiment. And so these are the stamp sets I'm using. I'm using the Sure Do Love You. I'm using the Just For You from there. And then I'm using from this Heart Happiness. This is an awesome set. I'm using this rose here, and then I'm using this little heart right here. I love this, and this is good for all year round, for Mother's Day, for any occasion. These also can make really cute little birthday favors too. So I thought this little box is so cute. Alright, so let's grab the big shot here. You'll be so happy when you see my new plates. I finally got them out. So I'm going to run the heart through first. I'm using my magnetic platform because it's perfect for this. Especially when you have new plates. Oh my gosh, I hate to mess them up, but I use this so much. I love the big shot. So there's our little heart, and then we're going to set that. Oh, and the hearts I cut out with our Sweet and Sassy heart framelits. You've seen me use this several times, especially lately. I've been using it quite a bit. But these are the framelits I'm using to cut out that heart. Okay, so let's cut out our box. And then we're going to score it. So I'll show you that in just a minute. This paper is so pretty. At first I didn't think that I was going to use it. I really thought that I'd just use the other side, but oh my goodness, I'm really loving it now. Okay, so I need to get my scoreboard out here. The first thing that we're going to do though is these little tabs right here. You can see all the score marks on here. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut those little tabs right off. Just cut them off on the score marks. I know a lot of my customers I know have ordered this, so you have a lot of little things to make with it. So now we're going to score this, and to score it, we are going to score it at 1/2. So start on your straight edge side, and score it at 1/2, 2.5, and 3. And that's it. Okay, so now you're going to see on both, I know this is hard to see, but I can see the score marks better on this side than I can on this. So you're going to cut up here, and this is going to be our flaps right here. So we're going to cut that little tab there, and we're going to cut on these 2 score marks up to that first score mark. And that's our other little tab there, and that is all we're going to do. Now to fold this, we're going to sharpen it, but this one we're going to fold over this way, and then these we're going to fold on our score marks, but we're going to fold it this way. Because this is going to give you that little cuff like there. And then we need to score these also. And then we're ready to glue it together. So use your tear and tape or your fast fuse, and you're going to put the adhesive here and on this side. Look. You're going to tuck in these little ones right here, and you're going to lift this up, and you're going to fold this here. This is really quick and easy. And right here. And look, there you have your box. Is that not cute? It makes a perfect little treat box. So I'm going to just stick these in here for the heck of it. And then we're going to take our ribbon, and I'm just going to tie a knot. Let's see, I'm going to probably have to cut this. This goes so good with this paper. I'm just going to tie a knot here. Just like that. We are going to take and stamp our sentiment, because I'm using the Just For You, but we're only going to show the For You in it. And I'm using my classic label punch to punch it out. And then we're going to need to emboss our little heart. So hopefully my embossing buddy is out here. If not, we're going to do it without it. It's probably here somewhere. I am in the process of cleaning, and I am, oh, here it is. I'm organizing things. And you know how funny it is that I'm organizing, but I can't find anything. So I'm going to use my Versamark, And this little rose, it's so cute. I'm going to grab my gold embossing powder here. And I'm going to grab my heat tool real quick, and we're going to emboss that. Look how cute that little rose is embossed. It's so cute. Then I'm going to use my 1-inch circle punch. And we're going to punch that little flower out. I never get tired of embossing. I'm telling you, I still love watching it melt. It's so neat. I love to emboss. Okay, now we're going to set this part here. I should have put a little piece underneath my ribbon. See if I have a glue dot real quick I can stick underneath there. Oh my goodness. So I can keep the ribbon still. Yeah, there you go. So we'll do our heart, and I'm going to put a little bit of adhesive on the end here. Just the For You is going to show under here. I put that glue dot down. I can't get it under there now. There we go. Just like that. And then we're going to use a dimensional for our little rose and stick it up. Right in the center there. So cute. I love, love, love this framelit set. It's so fun. But you can put any kind of candy. This would just make a birthday one. I mean, these be cute for Valentine's Day, but you can use them for Mother's Day or any occasion. They're super cute. Don't forget, celebration is still going on. For every $50 you spend, you get a free product from the celebration brochure. I hope you enjoyed it, everyone. If you need any supplies, you can go to my blog at stampingwiththemoire.com. Don't forget to use the hostess code, because I draw every month a name for hostess rewards. And I usually just notify them by email that they have won the rewards and they get to choose their products. So I hope everyone has a blessed day, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you later. Bye.